So children, today let us see the character analysis of Rikki Tikki Tavi. Yes, this is from your page number 14 here. Can you see this? Yes, this is a character analysis and I am going to give you the analysis of Rikki Tikki Tavi. Before that, what do you mean by character? Character is a person or an animal who is in the story. Yes, when we talk about any animal or any person in the story, we say it is as a character. Okay, yes. Now some characters are of many kinds. Yes, basically some are good, some are bad, some are funny, some are curious, like Rikki Tikki Tavi. Let us see how he is funny, curious, yes, or how he is behaving in the house. Okay, so your first question, your first point there is, who is he? Yes, when I say who is he, I am talking about whether Rikki Tikki Tavi is a person or an animal. Yes, Rikki Tikki Tavi is an animal. Yes, so your answer should be he is a wild animal. Okay, then your next thing is, in that box you have, what kind of animal is he? Yes, so we will write he is a mongoose. So this is a mongoose. He is a mongoose. Okay, right? Okay, now your second character analysis is curious. Now, what do you mean by curious? Curious means someone who is eager to know about something. So Rikki Tikki Tavi is also eager to know about that place, about the house, yes, where he has been adopted. Yes, so let us see how he is curious about that place. What points in the story or what lines in the story tell you that he is curious? Okay, so how will you say that he is curious? You can say that he was roaming about in the place. Yes, he was roaming about in that unusual place over there, and he spent all his day roaming in the house to find out what is there in the house, what new things are there to be known. Yes, that itself means that he is curious. So I can write, when he was traveling or roaming in the house. Traveling or roaming in the house, he spent all his day traveling and roaming in the house to find out something new about it. Yes, new about that place. The third point is, why is he really harmless? Now harmless means somebody who doesn't harm anybody. Yes, or not able to cause any harm. He is harmless. Yes, so is Rikki Tikki Tavi harmless? Yes, he is harmless to the people in the story, that is the Teddy's family. Yes, he is harmless to them, but then who is he harmful to? He is harmless to Teddy's family. Yes, but he is harmful to the snakes who are living in the Teddy's garden. Yes, he is harmful. We can say he is harmful to the snakes who are living in Teddy's garden. Yes, so now which is a point that can tell you that he is harmless. So when Teddy went to bed, yes, when he was asleep, he went to bed, and Rikki Tikki Tavi also jumped into the bed. That time he was taking care of Teddy. Instead of being harmful to him, he was taking care of him so that the snakes will not attack Teddy. Yes, that itself shows that he is harmless. Yes, that point shows that he is harmless. Okay, now the fourth point is funny. How do you know that Rikki Tikki Tavi is funny? Yes, there are many incidents that we have learned in the lesson. Yes, from the bathtub to the, yes, first is the bathtub. What did he do in the bathtub? He drowned himself in the bathtub. Yes, then your second thing is, first is bathtub. Second is, what did he do? He put his nose in the ink pot. Put his nose. Then the third thing is, he burnt his nose by sniffing the cigar. So he burnt his nose by sniffing the cigar. That is the third funny thing he did. So these are some incidents. These are some incidents that shows you that Rikki Tikki Tavi is funny. Yes, so you can read these incidents in your textbook. When you read the lesson, you will come to know how is he curious, how is he harmless, how is he funny. So this was the character analysis of Rikki Tikki Tavi, which is given on page number 14. Now let us go to the homework part, where you have to write answer these questions. I'll be discussing not the answers but the clues will be given to you. You have to find out the answers and write in your own words. Yes, let us start. So today we have a small homework about answer these questions. It is given on page number 13, A2. Answer these questions. So the first question is, what did Rikki Tikki Tavi do when you first read about him? What was he doing when you first read about him? The first paragraph, starting paragraph of in your textbook gives you the answer. What did he do? He looked down. He looked down. Then he sniffed. These are the clues. You, with the help of these clues, you can write your answer. He sniffed something and then he climbed down. So this is your first answer. So find out where will you get these words in your textbook, in your lesson, and write the answer. Second question is, mention some incidents where when he gets into trouble at the house. Just now we had told about, or I told you about the character analysis where he is funny. So in that in that point we had discussed the incidents from bathtub, then the ink pot, then the cigar. So all these incidents are, you are going to write it, mention these incidents in your second answer. So your answer number 2 will be your bathtub, your first point. Then your second point will be ink bottle. What did you do with the ink bottle? Then your third point will be cigar. What happened to his nose with the cigar? Yes, so these are the incidents you are going to mention in your second answer. Yes. The third question is, what did Rikki Tikki Tavi do at the end of the day? So at the end of the day, what did he do when Teddy was asleep? When Teddy was asleep, what did he do with Teddy? Find it out. When Teddy was asleep and he went to bed, what did Rikki Tikki Tavi do? That is your answer for the third question. Okay, children? So these are the three answers I am expecting you to write in your notebook. Read the lesson, find out the answers. The clues are here. You can write it.